Hi everyone, it's Val here and welcome back to Unboxing with Val. Today's video is Mindful Souls, which is one of my most popular unboxing videos here on Unboxing with Val. So today is December 2023, or I believe box 13. Before we get into the video, go ahead and like this video. I know all of you like my Mindful Souls videos. And subscribe down below for more Mindful Souls videos, and let's go ahead and unbox it. So as I said, I believe this is box 13 for me. If not, then it's box 14. So we've got a first thing here. What's in it? Just right on top of the information card. So let's go ahead and open this first, since it was just right there. So I'm wondering if maybe they did that on purpose, so I'd open it first. Oh, it's like a little bracelet. It's a little bracelet with that one hand. It's just a red, bright red, and it's just this hand with the eye in between. It's actually kind of pretty. I love the little faux diamonds up there. So that's the first item. Let's see, did we get a sticker? Did we get our sticker? Yes, we did. Okay, so first, let's get our sticker. Oh my gosh, the sticker is so cute. The sticker is a little French bulldog meditating and floating and meditating. It's actually kind of cute. I love dogs, and that's a really cute sticker. Okay. And then we always get an affirmation. Oh, this one's perfect. Okay, so our affirmation for this time around is affirmation for great sleep. It says, I am now in my bed, free from the stress, fear, anger, blame from today. I invite in and welcome calm and serenity. I really love this. I love the affirmation because I have been having trouble sleeping at least the last week because I had a really bad sinus infection and I was not able to sleep with that. Okay, then we always have our little information booklet. So we will go ahead and read through this. So the first, well, I guess the second product that we pulled out, because the first product was, or the first item was that bracelet. So the second item is just this. Oh, it's a big rock. The first item is this stone. It's got purple, blue, and then just kind of the brown. It's actually really pretty. It's also heavy. But this is the stone, or the rock. It's actually really pretty with all those colors. Okay, and then so that's item 2. So now we're on item 3. This is a magnet. Oh my god, it's a magnet. It's a crystal magnet. I can put this on my fridge. It's a crystal magnet. It's also got the blue. It kind of got the light purple. But it's so pretty, and I'm super excited to hang this on my refrigerator. So it's a crystal magnet. Okay. I'll be honest with you, I was a little disappointed with last month's box, so I don't know what my expectations for this box are so far, but I do like that magnet. So we've got another rock. So we've so far got 2 rocks. And this one's got blue and kind of green and black. Okay. This one feels kind of interesting. Oh, it's a little necklace. This is a pretty necklace. It's got a gold chain. And it kind of reminds me of the moon, but not really. This is the pendant. It's a really long chain. The chain does kind of feel a little cheap. Ooh, we've got a bracelet. So this is a little bracelet. It kind of looks like an amethyst stone, and then it's got green, brown, stones all around, or bees all around, and then it comes from, like, I think these are the chakras, like the rainbow chakra. And then our last item, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 7 items this time around. These smell good. Okay, so they're wooden. There's these wooden pieces, so I'm guessing if you burn them, because they smell good, so we'll go ahead and read through it. Okay. So something that I usually do that I didn't do last time is I turn y'all around to my wall. So I'll do that this time, and I'll turn y'all around to my wall and we'll go through the information card like that. Okay, so welcome to my wall. So something that I like to do is go over the information card together. So this is what we're going to start with first, is the Palo Santo Holy Wood Stick. So here it is, or here they are. There's 3 of them, and it says Palo Santo, also known as holy wood. It is enjoyed by many for its energetically cleansing and healing properties, similar to sage and cedar. It provides an uplifting scent that raises your vibration in preparation for meditation and allows for a deeper connection to the source of all creation. How to use it: take 1 stick and light it. Allow the Palo Santo stick to burn for 30 seconds to a minute. Then carefully blow it out. Move around the space in which you wish to clear energy. The next item is the Amethyst Cluster. I think that's for the magnet. So this, I think it's this one, because it reminds me, it does look like it. So it's the Amethyst Cluster. And it says, amethyst crystal has been highly praised throughout the ages for its stunning beauty and ability to stimulate and soothe the mind and emotions. Its high frequency purifies negative energy and creates a protective shield. Amethyst cluster is especially significant for its versatility. It can be used as a charging station for other crystals, for cleansing in any space, and as a tool for meditation. Our next item is, or stone, I think it's this one, because it's got the purple and the blues. Rough fluorite chunk. And it says, fluorite is a very protective crystal. This is a particularly useful crystal to have at work to help you be more organized or focused. It's also a powerful crystal to ward off negative energies that threaten your personal relationships. It can purify your body and eliminate anything that's causing it not to function perfectly. It can bring you calm and relaxation. And here it is one more time. Like I said, it's really pretty. It's got the purples, it's got the green. Really pretty. We then have the New Moon Jasper necklace. That one is just this one. And it says, the necklace is a symbol of new beginnings and a fresh start. It is made out of jasper, which is known to be a truly valuable stone to cleanse negative energies, soothe the nerves, and increase one's focus to ensure a change in one's life. We then have another rock, which is the rough Chrysocolla. And it says, Chrysocolla is a rock star for empowering feminine energy in men and women because it's deeply connected to the vibration of the earth, which vibrates with the purest energy of love. It also opens the throat chakra, which boosts energy by drawing negativity from the body. Whatever challenge you're facing, whether it's a breakup or job loss, the stone calms emotions so you can heal and move on. Our next item is this bracelet. It's a mixed stones and amethyst bracelet. So yeah, this one is amethyst. Then we've got our mixed stones. And it says, this stunning crystal bracelet features 7 stones representing the 7 chakras of the body and a stunning piece of amethyst. Use this bracelet to enhance your higher self and the stones to help you when aligning your chakras. And then the first item that we opened, that was at the very top, is the Hamsa friendship bracelet. And it's just this deep, like this really bright red with the Hamsa. So it says, the Hamsa in a red string in all faith is a protective sign. The wearer of the Hamsa hand can wear it facing up or down, and it is believed to give the owner success, harmony, and protection from the evil eye.